Welcome to DWS Market Update. Gold has always fascinated some investors. But over the past month, gold has performed so impressively that it has caught the attention of some investors. Even over a period of almost 25 years, gold has performed better than the S&P 500. Why is that? What are the main drivers of gold prices? First, inflation. Gold as a real asset should benefit from higher inflation rates. Second, interest rates. The higher the interest rate, the higher the opportunity costs of holding gold, so the lower the gold price should be. In this chart, we actually see a very close negative co-movement between the price of gold and the real interest rate. That is the yield on US government bonds minus the expected inflation. What is striking, however, is that a large gap has been opening up since around the beginning of 2022. The gold price has therefore developed much better than the real interest rates imply. Why? There are four reasons for this. First, gold is considered as a crisis currency, whose price has driven up by the war in Ukraine and the war between Hamas and Israel. Second, the freezing of Russia's foreign reserves has led to a rethink among some central banks. The Chinese central bank has reduced its reserves in US dollars and started to increase its gold holdings. Third, more and more private individuals in China are stocking up on gold as well, out of disappointment with the real estate, but also the stock and bond markets, or perhaps out of skepticism towards their government. Finally, there are probably some investors that also in the West who are uncomfortable with the high levels of public debt. What does this mean for investors? According to our forecasts, government bond yields should remain roughly where they are, while inflation rates should continue to fall. That shouldn't support the price of gold. But gold is likely to remain attractive as a crisis currency. However, the spectacular performance of the last few years should not be taken for granted. Over very long time horizons, stocks performed significantly better. With that, I say goodbye until next time.